Please welcome Klaus Bischoff.
Thank you. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the ID space vision. As long as I remember being a designer, I'm always drawing with a certain result, a segment in mind. The size, the width, the length of the car, its proportions become natural with the years. When we started with the ID space vision, everything was different. The idea was to take one step back and find out how far Volkswagen could take electric mobility, with no specific segment in mind. All the car segments we know today originated around a gasoline engine. With electric mobility, and especially a fully electric platform like the MEB, those segments are no longer default. The largest component of the car now is the underfloor battery. This leads to an elevated seating position. One of the reasons SUVs are so popular today, and an increase of interior space giving all passengers an upgrade. What if we took the elevated seating position and the additional interior space of our platform and saw how far we could take the aerodynamics to achieve the longest range possible? What if we gave this long ranger the expressive design and passion of a coupe? Ladies and gentlemen, the ID Space Vision defines its own segment. This new long ranger unites the seating position of an SUV with the space of a wagon and the aerodynamics of a coupe. The aerodynamics result in a CD value of just 0.24 and a range of up to 300 miles with its 82 kilowatt-hour battery. The head and running lights feature our ID honeycomb pattern, which symbolizes the modularity and sustainability of our MEB platform. Light is an important design element of the ID Space Vision, conveying the airiness of the driving experience as well as human warmth. The windshield emerges seamlessly from the highly polished black hood and creates an elegant contrast to the white frame of the car. Inside, we experience a minimalist yet comforting interior, offering each of the passengers the private space that comes from having their own seat, creating a roominess like a long wheelbase premium sedan. The user interface is fully digital and exceptionally intuitive. Augmented reality projects situation-specific information onto the view of the road ahead, significantly increasing safety. Ladies and gentlemen, the ID Space Vision combines sophisticated design, unrivaled versatility, and outstanding efficiency. Will it help define the ultimate segment of electric mobility? It certainly will help shape the future of our ID family. Thank you.